Good morning, students. Today we are going to study poem 11 Crying. What do you do when you see someone crying? If you see that someone is crying at that time, what do? Do you ask him or her to forget everything and smile? Do you ask that person that he or she should not cry anymore? He or she should forget everything and start to smile again. Before understanding the poem, before starting with the poem, we are going to understand meanings first. So let's start with the meanings. Crying. What is crying? It's a verb. The meaning of crying is the act of crying. When you cry, that is called crying. Happiness. Happiness is noun, means feeling of pleasure. When you're feeling very happy, that is called happiness. Hiding means to go somewhere where you cannot be seen. You know that you play a game hide and seek. In that you hide means you go to a place where nobody can see you. So that is hiding. Soaked means adjective, means very wet. If something is very wet, it means something is soaked. Splash. Splash is verb, means to move through water, making drops fly everywhere. If you are splashing water, means what you are doing? You are making drops fly everywhere. Now let's start with the poem. Crying only a little bit is no use. You must cry until your pillow is soaked. Then you can jump in the shower and splash, splash, splash. So if you're crying just a little bit, then that is of no use. Whenever you cry, you should cry a lot. How much you should cry? You should cry until your pillow it gets soaked with your tears. Means your pillow becomes wet with your tears. After that, what you can do? You can jump in the shower and splash water everywhere. Then you can throw open your window and ha 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 ha. And if people say, hey, what's going on up there? Ha ha, sing back. Happiness was hiding in the last tear. I wept it, ha ha. So, here the poet is saying that after you have cried a lot and after you have splashed water everywhere, what you can do? You can open window. And when you open the window, you will feel happy. You will start laughing. And if people ask that what is going on, then you may tell them that happiness was hiding in the last year. Means whenever you are sad and you cry a lot, then you start feeling good. So happiness was hiding in the last year means now your sadness has gone and now you are happy again. I wept it, ha ha. You can answer that I wept that last tear. So, in the poem, the poet is saying that if you are sad and if you feel like crying, you should cry out loud. Means you should cry it out. You should not be ashamed and you should not cry just a little, but you should cry as much as you feel like to. And until you feel happy again, till then you should cry so that your mind will be clear again and you will start feeling happy again. See now with red color, poet's name is given, Galway Kinnell. So this poem is written by him, and in the poem we get to know that we should cry as much as we feel like to. Just crying a little bit is not enough. I hope you have understood the poem. Do read the poem and do try to memorize it.